In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create an AI agent as an author in Oracle Analytics Cloud, test it, and enable it for consumers to use. AI agents extend the AI assistant experience by allowing me to guide how responses are generated. I can provide instructions, define a first message, and upload reference documents so the agent can answer questions with additional business context. In this scenario, I will create a supply chain expert agent to answer questions about shipping operations using both my dataset and internal policy documents. From the home page, I'll select Create, and then choose AI Agent. I'll need to select a dataset that has already been indexed for AI Assistant. I'll choose my retail dataset and then select Add to Agent. I can see my dataset in the Dataset panel. I'll select the Retail tab at the bottom to review which columns are indexed. I can remove any columns I don't want the agent to use. I'll deselect the Type of Order column. If I want the agent to focus on a subset of the data, I can add a filter, but I'll leave it as is for this example. I'll go back to the Configuration tab and paste supplemental instructions that guide how the agent responds. I'll define the agent as a supply chain expert and instruct it to rely on the attached reference documents when policy questions come up. I'll also define a first message. This is the welcome message consumers see before they ask their first question, which helps them understand what the agent can do. I'll select Save, enter Supply Chain Expert as the name, and save it to a shared folder so I can grant access to other users to interact with it. Next, I'll upload the policy document the agent will reference. I'll click Upload New Document, choose the file from my local machine, select Open, and then review the document settings. I can give it a title if needed, set document priority, and set the language. I'll ensure the Enable Document Usage in Agent checkbox is selected, and then select Save. After the upload completes, I can review the document summary. If needed, I can open the document options to view or edit its settings. It is important to note that this document must be in either .txt or .pdf format to be eligible for upload. I can upload up to 10 documents per agent, and each must be 5 megabytes or less. Images in .pdf files are ignored by the agent. I'll select Save, and then select Preview to validate the consumer experience. This is what the AI agent looks like when a consumer opens it in standalone mode. I can see the welcome message I created, and I'll ask a question about packaging to test the agent. The agent responds with a text-based answer and indicates it used document knowledge to inform its answer, meaning it referenced the uploaded policy document. I can also ask for a visualization. I'll ask for a bar chart comparing the quantity of goods shipped with small boxes versus all other package types. The agent returns a bar chart showing this comparison. I'll test one more scenario to make sure the agent behaves as expected. I'll clear the previous results and ask for the 5 most expensive cities to ship to based on average shipping costs. The agent returns a map showing these cities. I'll ask a follow-up question about the most expensive city. Since that information isn't present in the policy document, the agent lets me know instead of generating an incorrect answer. Everything seems to be working as expected with this AI agent. I want to enable this agent for use alongside my analysis, so from the home page, I'll open my Supply Chain Analysis workbook. I'll select Edit, then select the Present tab. Scroll down in the left panel and enable the Insights panel. Then, under Workbook Assistant, I'll select the plus icon next to Agents, locate the agent I just created, and select it. The check mark confirms that consumers will interact with my Supply Chain Expert agent in this workbook. I'll click the Preview icon and then select Auto Insights to validate the experience my end users will have, allowing me to confirm the agent is available and working as expected in the workbook. Back on the home page, I can also give users direct access to the agent by selecting the Action menu and Inspect. In the Access tab, I can grant read access so others can open and interact with the agent directly. I'll select Save and then Close. Now that I've created and configured my agent, Consumers can use it to answer questions, generate visualizations, and provide additional business context to their data, both within a workbook and in the standalone agent experience. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud in the links below.